you are looking for glowy skin on a budget, then keep on watching this video. Hey, my name is Ricardina, you can call me Richie, and in this video it's all about skincare and how can we girly girls maintain a soft and skinned face. I'll show you steaming my face until it's completely dripping, then cleaning with a oil cleanser and then also with a foam cleanser. Waxing is optional, but it's definitely a must in my routine. Removing blackheads around the nose, shaving the face. This routine is great if you want to improve your skin texture through exfoliating and shaving, as well as if you want that glow. Plus, I got this amazing jelly mask that I can't wait to talk about. So, I hope you like the vibe so far, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. So your goal is achieving glowy skin. Let me show you how I achieve that from the comfort of my bedroom and how you can too. You're gonna need a steamer, you're gonna need a gel oil cleanser, you're gonna need a foam cleanser, and then all you need to do is just start steaming the face and clean it first. I ended up falling asleep with makeup last night, and that's the reason why this morning I have to deep cleanse, and I am determined to getting that done deeply. The gel to oil cleanser from Rituals is very gentle. It removes mascara and sticky makeup, as well as makeup from yesterday in my case, and I've been using it for years. It is definitely a must-have. I went to the toilet to rinse my face in the sink, and I am really happy with how my face looks luminous and moisturized. I will go ahead and double cleanse my face the second time around with the Matcha cleanser that I found at TJ Maxx. I love this tingling sensation. I love how fresh my skin feels. The Konjac sponge that I'm using is also a must-have, especially when you are in need of a good cleanse and you don't want your face to be irritated. The Konjac sponge is very, very gentle and is great for sensitive skin. And this is the final result. My face is pretty much clean and the steam keeps running, that way my pores stay opened. I'm still steaming because steaming is very important. It opens the pores and allows your face to really be ready to clean and deep clean. The next product I'll be using as a toner in my face, though this is the eye removal liquid from Rituals. This one is very much your best friend when it comes to removing mascara and oily makeup or sticky makeup. And as you can see, I'm just using it as a toner to make sure my face is fully clean, and you see how much more dirt I managed to remove. So now I'm gonna go straight into waxing this time around because this is very important in my routine. I do not have any condition. I went to the doctor for this as well because I was concerned, but no, I just happen to be overly hairy, and this was, for example, 2 years ago. It was really bad. I was kind of struggling. It was during the lockdown, but now it's so much better. I've gotten a hold of it. I can manage these hairs by myself. Exfoliating often is very important. That way that area of the skin stays smooth and the hairs grow back normal, so there's no ingrown hairs. There hasn't been ingrown hairs in a long time, and I'm just so relieved. Waxing the forehead, chin, neck, you can do that if it's in your routine. So this time around I'll be also kind of like going over the neck, just like my esthetician did in Portugal, and nothing happened. My biggest fear would be having hairs growing back stronger, but I've done this once at the professionals and nothing happened, so I'm way more confident doing this on my neck. And again, brightening my neck has been one of my biggest goals, and I'm glad that, you know, it's working out so far with all the products that I've been using. I love waxing because my skin appears so much brighter, and I will not be waxing my eyebrows this time around though. I'll go back to steaming because that's such a great way to maintain those pores open. And now is the best and most important time. Around our nose, it's where we get the blackheads, the whiteheads, there's a bit of dirt, residue of makeup, and that's very important to get out. Perhaps you are familiar with this sensation. Once you've done these routines a couple times, you can tell like when the dirt is accumulating, and that's why this step cannot be skipped. Moving on to this amazing facial oil that I am using. Like for me, face oil does amazing because I have dry skin, and the oil illuminates my skin and hydrates the skin, and is a wonderful way to remove that leftover wax that is in my chin and neck. Make sure you massage your face really well. So this Feed Your Face with Maybelline. This one I've been having for years. Like if you've watched my previous video, I used this one before, and I am finishing this one in this video as well. And I must say I love it. I love this Maybelline Feed Your Face Gel Mask. I love that it's red because it has color correcting properties on dark skin. It is indeed good for sensitive skin, and I like that it works as a gentle exfoliator because of this watermelon-like seeds infused in the gel. So it's always important to steam, and then this time around I added the oil plus the gel mask to shave the face. There is the possibility of doing it on a dry face, but that's just not how I like it. I genuinely prefer when my face is dripping steamed. This way I am improving the skin texture as well as preventing minor cuts, and doing this on a dry face, I believe it to be a bit risky, especially because I have dry skin and my skin looks fabulous, but it is not 100% even. So I am particularly careful around my mouth when I am shaving, as well as around the nose. So make sure that you are careful and maintain your skin stretched by pulling it slightly to the side, and have patience. Do not try to rush this process. Go over to the other side and pull your forehead gently back. That way you maintain your skin straight. Shave it downwards, and of course around the nose you kind of have to round it up. Go from the middle to the top gently and slowly. Around the lips is very important. I tend to be somewhat dark around those areas just because the hairs grow there, and the sunlight hits the nose and forehead and cheeks first. And yeah, this is literally one dark area that I managed to also brighten a bit over these years. And in this session I shaved my eyebrows just by basically following the direction of growth naturally. Now that I'm done with the cleansing part, my skin feels fresh and soft and really clean. And to finish up the session, we always apply a mask at the end. This time around, I'll be applying the jelly mask from Rituals. This one's, you just have to mix the powder into the jelly cup, and the powder pretty much activates the jelly. And after you mix it all together, you apply to your face, but you have to be quick. I applied the Bikuchi oil booster before applying the mask. I love how it leaves my skin radiant. I recommend you to get one of these because this is an alternative to retinol. It works on the skin elasticity and the skin tone, and as you could see, my skin is instantly glowing. Applying the jelly mask was so fun. I loved in the beginning how my skin was so ready to just calm down and receive the last step of the session. So the jelly mask is great to close the pores and to just allow the skin to calm down, and it feels fresh. This one didn't have a particular smell, but it was so easy to apply, and after you mix it up, you kind of have to be quick, otherwise it starts getting hard. But yes, this is the last step of my routine, just make sure you apply all over your face, including the lips. Sometimes I even forget it, but not anymore. This summer we want to look good, we want to feel good, and we want to make sure that we can continue using that makeup. So the jelly mask is great because it locks in the moisture. Again, it allows your skin to just calm down after all the procedures we've done, and I will definitely be purchasing more of them. Now the mask was getting really hard, so I was just applying it on my neck the best way I could, and yes, that's really it. Letting the mask sit on my face for a few minutes, 10 to 20 minutes, and afterwards it's ready to be removed. Always start from the top and work your way downwards. I'm really happy with the mask in general. It didn't break unevenly. It was really easy to remove, and you can see how my face is just radiant, moisturized, glowy. All products will be linked down below, and they're budget friendly, and this is one way for you to maintain your skin radiant over the summer all year round, especially if you use makeup every day just like me. This will save you so much headache, and if you decide to go to the salons, you will even think that your routines are better. Mwah. Don't be shy, leave me a comment down below if you did this and if you watched till the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Once again, this facial oil from Biossance is just amazing. It has squalane, vitamin C, and rose oil. It has this light smell of rose, and it just leaves my skin so radiant and moisturized, especially after a facial session like this. It's just so delightful to apply it. This has been my everyday secret. So this is really the end of the video. I hope that you liked. I've again tried to cover a lot of topics in under 15 minutes, and I hope you try this at home, and it's super budget friendly and you will enjoy it so much. You get to be creative, and plus you'll get glowy skin. Mwah. Thank you for watching, and do not be shy. You can find me on Instagram. You can also DM me if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video.